Hello learners. Today we're going to tackle about the major body organs. This lesson will describe the main function of the major organs, communicate that the major organs work together to make the body function properly. Bones. Bones are composed of rigid tissues that form the skeleton. Adults have 206 bones, while babies have around 300 bones. Most joints allow the body to perform various movements, while other joints, such as those in the skull, do not allow movement. Cartilage is soft, strong, and flexible tissue. It provides growth of most bones and protects movable joints from wear and tear. Ligaments. Ligaments are fibrous tissues that connect bone to bone. Tendons. Tendons are fibrous tissues that connects muscle to bone. The primary functions of bones are to give shape and support to the body, protect the internal organs like the brain, heart, lungs, liver, and reproductive organs. Some of the bones are sites where blood is produced. Bones with a skeletal muscle are also responsible for our movement. Elastic tissues, characterized by their ability to contract. They can be classified into voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles include all the muscles attached to the bones, skeletal muscles, that contract according to your will. Involuntary muscles contract periodically without your control, like muscles in your heart, or what we call the cardiac muscle, stomach, and intestines, smooth muscles. Lungs. Lungs are the respiratory organs that enable us to breathe through the process of respiration. It contains air sacs called alveoli, where the exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. The primary functions of the lungs are inhalations and exhalations, and they are pulmonary ventilations, or that's breathing. External respiration exchanges gases between the lungs and bloodstream, while internal respiration exchanges gases between the bloodstream and tissues. Complex organ of the body. It controls all body activities. It has three main parts: the cerebrum, and brainstem. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary muscles movements and to maintain posture and balance. While the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, it controls speech, thought, emotions, reading, writing, and learning. The brainstem controls the eye and mouth movements, relaying sensory messages, respirations, consciousness, cardiac functions, involuntary muscles movements, sneezing, coughing, vomiting, and swallowing. Muscular organ about the size of your fist. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. There are four chambers of the heart: the right and left atrium. They receive used blood from the tissues of the body. The right and the left ventricles send fresh blood to the tissues of the body. Kidneys. Kidneys are pairs of bean-shaped organs responsible for the excretion of liquid waste, or what we call the urine, and regulation of the salt and water in the blood. Nephrons. Nephrons are the functional unit of the kidney that contains the filtering unit called glomerulus. A single kidney contains 1 million nephrons. Stomach. Stomach is a muscular J-shaped sac just beneath the diaphragm. The stomach secretes gastric juices containing hydrochloric acid and enzyme pepsin that continue the food digestion that started from the mouth. Primary functions of the stomach are temporary storage of food, mixing, and breakdown of food. Intestines. Intestines are extended from the stomach to the anus. It has two parts, the small intestine and the large. Small intestines include the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. It's responsible for the digestion and absorption of nutrients, while large intestines consist of the colon, cecum, rectum, and anus. Its main function is to absorb the remaining water from the digestive food and formation of feces from the undigested food, which is later expelled out. And that's our lesson. That's all about internal or the major body organs. I hope you learned something.